Hey everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best 10-inch miter saws on the market for this year. From precise bevels to versatile compound cuts, these power-packed machines are the ultimate tools for any woodworker, contractor, or enthusiast. We are going to show you our 5 selections, and we'll discuss whether they are worth purchasing or not. For additional details and the latest pricing on the mentioned products, visit the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Evolution Multi-Material Double Bevel Sliding Miter Saw. This is a true game changer when it comes to miter saws. Its versatility is unparalleled, allowing you to cut through a wide range of materials effortlessly. The 10-inch multi-material cutting blade can handle wood, plastic, aluminum, and even mild steel, with remarkable precision and speed. This makes it an excellent choice for contractors, metalworkers, and enthusiasts looking for a single saw that can handle various materials. The double bevel feature is a standout characteristic of this miter saw. It enables you to tilt both left and right, making it a breeze to create bevel cuts without having to flip your workpiece, saving you time and effort. Whether you need to make complex angles for crown molding or trim work, this saw has you covered. The sliding compound functionality is another major advantage of this saw. With the ability to slide the blade back and forth, you can effortlessly cross-cut wider boards. This is particularly useful for handling large pieces of lumber, reducing the need for additional tools, or repositioning your workpiece. To ensure precision and accuracy, Evolution Power Tools has integrated a laser guidance system into the miter saw. The laser projects a clear invisible line onto your workpiece, indicating exactly where the blade will cut. This feature is a game changer for making precise cuts, especially when working on intricate projects. Number 2. DeWalt Miter Saw. The DeWalt is a reliable and powerful miter saw designed to handle a variety of cutting tasks with ease. Its 15-amp motor delivers consistent performance, making it a top choice for professional carpenters and contractors who demand reliability in their tools. The 10-inch blade combined with a single bevel and compound cutting capabilities allows you to make a wide range of cuts accurately and efficiently. Portability is a key feature of the DWS713. With its lightweight design and built-in carry handle, you can easily transport it to different job sites without hassle. This makes it an excellent choice for contractors on the go. The adjustable stainless steel miter deton plate with 14 positive stops ensures precise angles, giving you the confidence to tackle complex projects. It also enhances productivity, as you can quickly set the saw to common angles and make repetitive cuts with ease. Number 3. Bosch Compact Miter Saw. The Bosch is a compact miter saw that doesn't compromise on power and functionality. Its 15-amp motor ensures smooth and precise cuts, while the 10-inch dual-bevel sliding glide blade provides outstanding cutting performance. It's an ergonomic design. The ambidextrous trigger handle ensures comfortable operation for both left and right-handed users, reducing fatigue during extended use. The upfront bevel lock lever and range selector allow for quick and easy adjustments, making it convenient to switch between different bevel angles. The integrated material support extensions are a practical addition to this miter saw. They provide additional support when working with larger materials, improving stability and accuracy during cuts. This feature is especially useful when dealing with long pieces of wood or molding. Number 4. Delta Sliding Compound Miter Saw. The Delta 10-inch sliding compound miter saw is a workhorse that delivers precise and smooth cuts consistently. The 15-amp motor provides ample power to handle various cutting tasks, making it suitable for both professional and projects. The sliding function allows you to cut through wider boards with ease, making it an excellent choice for crown molding, trim work, and other large-scale projects. This feature significantly expands the versatility of the saw and saves you time on complex cuts. The 10-inch carbide-tipped blade ensures durability and longevity, giving you peace of mind that your investment will last for years to come. The bevel scale with positive stops allows for quick and accurate adjustments, enabling you to make bevel cuts at common angles effortlessly. Safety is always a top priority, and Delta has taken care of that with a clear blade guard that protects your hands during operation. The dust collection bag is another thoughtful addition that keeps your workspace clean and minimizes the cleanup required after a day of cutting. Number 5. Makita Dual Bevel Sliding Miter Saw with Laser. The Makita is a top-of-the-line miter saw known for its precision and cutting performance. Its innovative direct-drive motor ensures smooth power delivery, eliminating belt slip and providing low-maintenance operation. This makes it a reliable choice for professionals who demand consistent and accurate results in their work. The 10-inch dual-bevel sliding compound blade delivers exceptional cutting capacity and versatility. With this saw, you can handle various cutting tasks, from simple crosscuts to complex bevel angles, with ease and confidence. The integrated laser guide system is a standout feature of the LS1019 liters. The laser projects a clear and visible line onto the workpiece, giving you an exact reference for your cuts. This level of precision is especially useful when working on intricate projects or when a high degree of accuracy is required. The large cutting capacity and 4 steel rail sliding systems provide stability and smoothness during cutting operations. This allows you to work with larger materials comfortably, making the LS1019L suitable for both small and large-scale projects. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.